you guys are enjoying the new lectures. Here is Usama Tahir from Learn English with Usama Tahir. Today I'm going to teach you an amazing figure of speech, euphemism, and I'm going to explain it with different examples. So let's move forward. What is euphemism? Euphemism is polite expression or a figure of speech used in place of words or phrases that otherwise might be considered unpleasant or hurtful. For example, students, sometimes saying something directly would affect that person psychologically or mentally and emotionally. So we use euphemism expressions to lighter its intensity. For example, saying instead of dead, we say passed away. For example, if we want to pee, we say we want to go to washroom. So instead of saying things directly, we use indirect expressions. Sometimes they are vague, but we use it to less the intensity and make it more formal and polite. Why euphemism is used? So there are plenty of reasons and situations in which we use euphemism. Let's discuss them. We use euphemism in order to make harsh realities and truths less harsh and depressing. Sometimes saying truth directly is going to be impolite and rude. So instead of saying something so direct and straightforward, we use euphemistic expressions to be polite, to be formal. For example, we often use euphemism when talking about sensitive topics. There are different topics in the world that are considered to be sensitive or taboo, that we use euphemistic expressions or euphemism technique to less their intensity and to make them more pleasant or to make them less unpleasant, in other words. For example, what are different topics are? Death, love, body processes, anything we might not want to speak of directly. I have plenty of examples, so don't worry, stay calm and stay there. You are going to learn this topic, you're going to enjoy it. There are multiple examples, so let's move forward. Adult beverages instead of alcohol. So saying alcohol in front of children, it seems inappropriate, so we change it with the adult beverages. Pass away, for dead person, he passed away yesterday, he is dead. Saying that, we say passed away. Instead of saying dead, we say he passed away. Euthanize, instead of killing someone who is severely injured and for the sake of mercy we are killing him, we say euthanize. Empty your bladder for pee. I mean, instead of saying pee, the medical professional would say empty your bladder. I mean, they take your they make you urinate to test your urine and this and that. Go to ladies or men's room. For example, if you want to use the toilet, or restroom is another new emerging term in the field of euphemism. Saying bathroom or washroom, we say restroom. So we literally don't rest in that room, but to make it less impolite or less harsh, we use the word restroom. Some other common examples, there are multiple examples in every language. Mentally challenged instead of mentally retarded or insane, we say he is mentally challenged. Perspiration for sweat, dawn instead of dam, we are changing his pronunciation to make it less harsh. Expecting a baby instead of being pregnant. So some people make weird facial expressions when we say she is pregnant. So we, instead of saying someone is pregnant, we say she is expecting a baby. Ladies week for periods. Instead of saying that he is having his periods, or she is having her periods, or we say ladies week. Sleep together instead of sex. So instead of saying I had sex with XYZ, we say I slept with her. So common euphemism, I have some original sentences and euphemism used in that sentences. For example, Uncle Keith died last year. It's a normal sentence, it's a reality that he died, but instead of saying in that way, we say Uncle Keith passed away last year. I have to urinate, I have to spend a penny. You're an idiot, you have an interesting point of view. Go away, you don't need to say go away directly. You say I really need a bit of peace and quiet. You are indirectly saying that person to get out to go away. So thank you, this was all today. If you have any queries or you want to give your feedback, we are highly in the need of that and we love it. So this was all. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.